Hey guys, welcome back to my tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be talking about a really easy strumming pattern. This strumming pattern is really common between a lot of genres of music. You can use this in pop, you can use this also in worship, and a lot of other genres of music. And this strumming pattern will also help you improve your chord changing, and it's a really easy strumming pattern, so it will help you improve your guitar playing as well. So I'll see you guys right in the tutorial. Alright, so on to the tutorial. So in the strumming pattern we're going to be using is down, 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 up, down. So if you guys have your guitar with you, try to do this with me right now. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Down, 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 up, down. Alright, let's do it again. Down, 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 up, down. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is I'm going to demonstrate one time with a G chord, so you guys will know how it sounds like and how the tempo really goes. So it's like this. So get your hands ready on the G. I'll give you guys 5 seconds to place your fingers. Alright. Alright, so let's start with a tempo really slow so you guys will get used to it. So let's go really slow. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, let's do that one more time really slow. In 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, you guys are doing really good. So let's speed it up a little bit, shall we? So let's go a little bit faster, but I won't go as really fast, so we'll just go medium. Alright, so prepare your G. So 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so we'll do it one more time and then we'll go to the last part, which is a little bit faster than this one. So 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so we're going on and we're gonna speed things up a little bit more. So here it is. This is how it's gonna sound like, alright? So you guys will know how fast it will go. So here it is. So now you guys can do it with me. Prepare. I'll give you 5 seconds, alright? Alright, let's go. So 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Alright, you guys are doing so well. Okay, so we're gonna do it one more time, alright? So 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so let's amp things up a bit, alright? So, we're going to be combining our strumming pattern with chord progression. So, I'm gonna be doing 2 chord progressions with you guys. The first chord progression I'll be doing is G, E minor, C, and D. Alright? So, what I'm gonna be doing is we're gonna go slow first, and then we're gonna go medium, and then we're gonna go fast, just like what we did previously. So, I'm gonna give you guys a demonstration of how it will sound like first before we actually get into playing. Alright, so here's how it should sound like. Alright, so I'll give you guys 5 seconds to prepare. Alright, let's go. In 3, 2, 1. We're going slow. Alright, so we're gonna do that one more time, and then we're gonna go medium speed, alright? So 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, you guys are doing great. So we're gonna go a little bit faster. We're gonna go medium, alright? So we're gonna go in 5 seconds. I'll give you guys 5 seconds. Alright, so are you guys ready? Okay, let's go. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, we'll be doing that one more time, alright? So in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, let's go to the real challenge, alright? So we're gonna do the fastest strumming we've learned today, and we're gonna do it with a chord progression. So I'll give you guys 5 seconds to rest. Alright, are you guys ready? So we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, go. do that one last time, and then we're gonna go to the other chord progression. So in 3, 2, 1, go. So the next chord progression will be in the part 2 of this tutorial. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys will be able to see where it is. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, give me a subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified for any future videos I'll be doing. And if you guys need any resources such as lyrics and chords for your praise and worship, for your church, you guys can go ahead and visit my website soundmeta.com. And I'll also leave a link in the description so you guys will be able to visit it easily. So once again, that's soundmeta.com, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.